Hi guys, welcome back to another one. Today we're ice fishing for brook trout and rainbows. A little windy yeah, should be a good day. A little windy, but it's nice out. Ice is pretty thick enough. Nice and clear too. So I guess we'll see if we can get in some fish. I'm just gonna show you how I set up my jaw jacker. Got a White Boys Fishing jig head here. Right through the bottom. Come out the top of the head. I'm gonna take it. Put it in it. I have my setting right here on the side. I haven't put that on before. See. Watch your face, because this could take your eye out. Then keep it a little slack off the side here. Don't let it sit on this because that'll trip it off. Then just find your spot, reel it up, and set it on the edge there. I've got my little bait cast rod, a 10-pound mono ice line. Yeah, that's all it takes to catch a fish. Jaw jacker. No. Shut up. Here. Oh, sorry. Look up. Jesus.
Sorry, Jared. You want me to drop another one? Yeah, I just hooked it up. That was funny. Another fish. What? Another fish.
Quit walking around.
He's gone.
Oh, he's big.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh! Oh! Oh, he's shitting on me.
Wait, move that like front and back a little bit. That's pretty good.
All right, buddy.
Let him go in a different hole.
On the white boy's fishing jig too.
Let him for a second.
Ew.
That was like a 5.
That was a giant. We did it. We caught a fish on the jaw jacker. All right. The wind's probably really bad, but this is what I was using. White fish, white boys fishing, little blue jig head, absolutely awesome. Tipped with some minnow. Right through here. Get the belly, so it sits kind of like a normal fish would. Swimming. Just dropped it. It was a little bit off bottom. Caught him on the jaw jacker. It's my second fish. Jaw jacker, sponsor me. Your equipment's good. Woohoo! Yeah. It's about the same size.
No, your other one was even bigger than that one. Drop the big one.
Oh no, the minnows. It's mayhem again. It's mayhem in the tank.
Oh.
Okay, right here.
I'll drop that back. Oh, shh.
That one's pretty good.
You might have to land your app.
No, he's not enough.
How many you want? All ice kind of just lifts up.
Oh, giant. Look at his back. Look at his back.
Oh, big one.
Oh, he's gonna get mine. Come on, buddy. I know you want it. Set it.
Oh, I lost.
That was a giant. He had something wrong with it. He's got something wrong with his back. Oh.
He's lost.
He's back. He's back. Look at him.
Oh, he's up the hole.
He just hit it. Look, shh. Let him eat it. Let him eat it.
He's gonna eat it. You got him.
Let's go. Catch and release.
Oh.
That's the way I like it.
How big was it?
That's how you slay fish.
I'm skunked still.
Right here.
Skunk? Yeah.
Chartreuse
we
jig
both
head.
lost one.
In the middle. How many have I caught? Like 100?
4? No, you caught 4.
Well, Jake had minnow might be the way to go.
Is he still there?
He's coming to you guys.
Oh, there he is. Oh, that's the same one. No, it's not.
See him?
Yeah, he's swimming away. You don't want this. Going that way. Watch the jaw jacker. Oh, he's right.
He looked right at it. Spooked.
That's right. Oh, he's coming back.
Is he?
Yeah.
Cool. He did not like that.
He ripped away. How much one?
Mine, I lifted it up a little bit and went, unless there's a bigger one.
Oh yeah, the big mama rainbow swimming. Imagine just the whole hole goes black. Is he still there?
Oh, he's fighting.
That's a nice one. That's a beautiful release.
Yeah, he splashed me pretty good.
That's my product. Oh, Kobe just had one. Yeah, he just left me. Did you? You just did it? Yeah, check out. Kobe's got him. My nail wasn't cold. Oh, shit. You, Kobe.
Ow, he got me with the hook. Calm down, bud. Ow, again.
Oh, I didn't check. Perfect hook. Release.
Wait, let me wipe the camera. See ya.
He was showing you his back.
He ate it twice. Like I set the hook and ripped the tail off the minnow. Then he came back and
oh my.
Giant, Brody, giant.
Hey, check this thing out.
Just caught a tank. There was 2 tanks just swam by.
Oh! That's a man.
There was one bigger swam by with him.
Really? You got a fish in here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a man. That jawjacker one was still even bigger. That's a baddie. Try and
I don't want to drop him.
Kobe, can I take a picture with your fish?
There.
No, kidding. I'll go let him go.
Yeah, there was one bigger swimming towards
that's
him.
Heavy. That thing's heavy. Let me see it. Wow, you already took it.
One bigger swam that way.
Really?
Just like he inhaled my minnow and then came back from my.
I gotta get fishing with me.
That was a tank.
I went to drill out deep and I ended up shallower than we are now. Where do you?
Oh. Brody's putting him in another hole.
Oh.
Oh, he hooked himself. He hooked himself.
Is it a jack?
Yep.
Yep.
Big old sleuth shark.
Switch these guys. Later.
I think the camera scared him the first
Stop.
time.
Stop muddying up my hole.
Where'd he come from? Same way. Oh no, you've seen him.
Did he come from deeper? I forget.
Oh gee.
Okay. Stuff.
My jig head is
Just saw him coming over there. He come from under you. Is he? Or no? No. He either come from under. Like 3 minutes ago. He come from either right here or right here. So shallow either way.
all I know is you guys better catch some fish.
I'm gonna have some McDonald's here pretty soon.
That was a fat. That was a fatty.
Oh, here he comes.
Where? Oh, he's coming towards you guys. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's going right for one of your hooks. Why is your line so high in the water?
He wasn't that interested. Just did a drive.
Oh, no, he's back. He's back. Oh, he's got something. Oh.
There's another one.
Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's a rogue brookie.
Math Berkey.
You're dirty in my hole.
Sorry, he's
Guys, this hole.
Oh my.
he's literally leaving.
That one that swam by.
Tangle.
Yeah. That one that swam by I think had AIDS. You see that thing dangling out of his mouth?
Look out. Oh no. Oh no.
We're not dang. Oh, here, I'm just gonna reel it up. Make life easier.
Hey, there's one.
Where?
On your
Oh. Brody, just grab the damn fish.
He's fighting too hard.
Oh my god. You want a picture? No?
Now he's just taunting us.
Yeah. You dirty ice hole. Our hole's so good, you don't even know. That one that was with him was way bigger than that one.
Yeah. He was fatter.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think I got a giant.
Oh my god. That's a freaking mega. Real. Oh, he's huge. Oh my god.
Oh, he's on.
Oh my
Grab him, Brody. Grab him, Brody.
Oh! I've seen bigger. Oh. There was another fish.
Reel your line, Dad. I think he's gone.
No.
We need a net.
Oh. He's fighting hard.
That's a beast.
Come on.
That's a beast.
Come
Just
on.
let him fight.
Whoa. Oh.
That guy died. He gave me a heart attack when he came in. Come on, buddy. Come up the hole. Come up the hole.
Oh, that's a beast.
That might be a 6. PB Bricky. PB Bricky. Oh my god. That thing's so fat.
Oh.
He's hooked good.
Oh. Oh.
Ow, that's a hook.
Oh.
I'm soaked, but he's giant.
That's a tank.
Hook popped right out.
Here, I'll hold.
I want to hold him.
I'm just making sure he doesn't flop in the hole.
Okay.
Put your finger under his gill.
Okay,
Like
grab
this.
the line. Go wrap your arm up.
Bring him out.
Take my hat off for me, Brody.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I want to get through a lead. Fish stealer, fish stealer. Whoa. That's a tank.
This is 5.5.
Here. That was a tank. Come back.
He's got. Oh, he's right there.
Okay, there's no coming your way, Jared.
There's his skull.
You got him? Brody. Yeah, like a school just swam by. Big one was on me and then your dad caught one.
Holy frick, it's hot.
They all come from
From deep. Did he look at mine?
No. He didn't even want any of mine. He looked at it and was like, eh. Hey, Bix.
Oh, big one.
They don't want the minnow anymore. Oh, he's getting ears, Brody. Here he comes.
That's
taking a drink. You. No. You see how small that guy was? That was an event. He wanted nothing to do with it.
Like, what the heck? Where's it going to? Yeah.
Yeah, there was a little small one and a big one came through.
That was like we've seen a medium one.
Yeah, that was a medium one. But that other one was like a 1 pound.
Yeah, there was literally a 2 ouncer.
Yeah. Why did this thing keep shutting off?
Oh, dude, rainbow. There's a rainbow.
No way.
Oh, he's coming.
Come on.
Was that a rainbow that comes? No. There's a different rainbow.
No.
Where'd he go?
He went that way.
They both swam deep. Oh, the rainbow went deep. Oh, now he's going. Rainbow and a brookie together? That
Where'd he come from?
he's coming out that way. He's coming fast.
Oh, he's right here. He's coming towards you. Here he comes. Give him a little jiggle there.
He was just cruising.
I get all my bites when I'm active. Like,
I like looking over there. Like they're all coming from down deep
you nice to have a 2x4 right down the middles or somewhere so you can put your feet out.
I got caught. It'd be awesome. Just lay on your belly and look right over the hole. The little buddy burning the belly underneath you. Burn a hole in the coffin.
But at least you're warm.
What?
I don't think I drank any orange juice.
Nobody else would have tried it.
Bro, did you drink my orange juice?
What?
You drink my orange juice?
What orange juice? No.
Oh. Maybe I did drink it then.
I don't know what kind of crew you think you're hanging out with, but we don't go around just drinking these guys.
Brody does. I remember the one time there was one bottle of water left and Ashton asked for it, so we gave it to him. I gave it to him. Brody comes out and chugs it in front of him. The last bottle of water.
I was thirsty. Were you by the lake?
We were on our way home. We were just leaving.
We were by the lake. Fish. Oh, I thought it was
Free Willy.
bigger. You reeled it in a little too much. Every time you hook a fish, you say, "Oh no." Oh no, he's hooked. Oh, I got him. Why did you have to bite it? I don't want my minnow to get wrecked. We have to... Yeah, that was a football. Yeah. Did you see him? Yeah. He was like a football? I didn't see him. And he had big fins? Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh my god, he's so... He's still there?
Look at him, Dad.
Yeah. See him?
Is he still there?
No, he's gone. No, that was gone. He had huge fins. It was weird.
He has huge legs.
Yeah. That guy was jacked.
Dang it. Wanna help brother out?
Yeah,
Brody?
look at those.
Okay.
There's crows on the lake.
Cravens?
Wait, what do you want? It scared my... Holy f***. I pooped myself.
Put that on. No,
Yeah, I did. Okay. Honestly, I think we need to set up a hole 15 feet in this direction.
I do too. 20.
Well, it's been a no one per person. It's been a good day so far. A lot of side hole fish you guys have seen. Hopefully this wind mic is working. If not, you guys probably can't hear me. But we're gonna try and hole hop now and see if we can't catch any fish. We slayed fish today. Caught so many through that side hole. A couple on a dog jacker. But it's time to clean up, pack up. It's still pretty windy out here, but we're doing it before it gets too dark on us. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.